How to make only exact roles can edit activity posts and comments. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. Second, you need to install and activate Buddypress edit activity. You can purchase this plugin on Youzify.com. We put the URL on this video description below. Once both plugins are activated, navigate to the Youzify panel, Extension Settings, and Edit Activity Settings. Select a role that only can edit the activities. In this video, I keep the subscriber role disabled, so subscriber accounts cannot edit the activity. You also can set which roles that can edit other members' activities. I log in with a subscriber account. You can see no edit activity button on the subscriber's post. Let's try another role. Here it is, you can see the edit button and it can be edited successfully. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.